To know all about Flipkart seller processes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hello sellers, in today's video we will talk about our new Earn More feature that provides you an overview of your business in terms of gross sales, cancellation and returns during any specific period. Using Earn More, you can review overall revenue generated during a particular period, gross sales, that is, number of units sold in a particular duration, total units cancelled and their value, total units returned by customers and their value, difference in performance during different time periods. This feature can help you understand the difference in the performance of your business and improve your earnings. To access Earn More feature, you can log in to your seller dashboard, click on Growth and select Earn More from the drop-down menu. Now that we know how to access Earn More feature and understand its purpose, let's learn how to utilize this page to maximize your advantage. Let's start with the sales period. On the top of the Earn More page, you can choose to get the overview of your business for the latest date or latest week, for which the metrics have been updated. You can also get overviews for any specific month or fill in custom dates to get the overview for that specific period of time. Here, it is important to remember that you can access data for the past 90 days only. Now, let's look at filters. You can use filter option to analyze business for any particular category, vertical, brand, fulfillment type, and location as well. By default, the filter will be selected to all, and you can click on Reset to get the default filters applicable on Seller Dashboard. Just below the filters, you can see the Business Overview section. Here, you can see gross sales, cancellation, and returns for the selected time period in terms of revenue and units. In the later part of Business Overview section, you can see net sales and final sales in terms of revenue achieved as well. Under Business Overview, there are 6 important terms that you should understand. Gross sale indicates total revenue achieved and total units sold during a particular period. Cancellation includes number of units and total amount cancelled. This includes seller cancellations, buyer cancellations, marketplace cancellations, and courier returns. Here, you need to remember that cancellation will be displayed for the selected time period. However, the duration of cancellation maturity is 15 days. So if you have selected a date range between 1st May and May 11th of 2020, cancellation may vary till May 26th, that is 15 days after May 11th. In ongoing tag appears next to the numbers during the maturity period. This indicates that they are not final. Once the maturity date passes, in ongoing tag will be automatically removed by system numbers and final numbers will be displayed. Returns indicate the total number of units returned by the customers and the amount of units returned. Once again, you need to remember that the maturity period of returns is 30 days. In ongoing tab will appear next to the return numbers for 30 days after the last day of the selected period. For example, if you have selected a period between 1st May and 11th May 2020, in ongoing tab will appear with return figures till 11th June 2020, that is, for 30 days after the last selected date of 11th May 2020. This indicates that the numbers may vary during the maturity period. After 11th June, in ongoing tab will be removed automatically and only final figure will be displayed. Remainder is the amount left after deducting cancellation amount and return amount from gross sales. Remainder has 2 components, that is net sales, which is gross sales minus cancellations, and final sales, that is gross sales minus cancellation plus returns. Summary: Here, you can get an overarching performance of your business for the selected duration of time. You can also use What Changed option to understand the cause of the shift in performance as compared to the similar previous duration. Example, if you have selected this week in the sales period, What Changed will show your performance compared to previous week. Analyze offers you a better understanding of gross sales, cancellation, and returns. When you click on Return, a new Sales Overview window will pop up. Sales Overview provides a comprehensive and in-depth overview of gross sales in terms of views. Click through Rate and Conversion Rate. Here, you will be able to check your performance health as compared to other sellers selling their products in the same vertical on Flipkart. Trends presents a graphical representation of your business performance overview in terms of gross sales, cancellations, and returns. Below the business overview sections, you can see the sales performance table. This section provides information about gross sales, cancellations, net sales, returns, and final sales for a particular SKU code, category, brand, or vertical, both in terms of value as well as units. In Sales Performance Table, you can also analyze your data with the help of filters that include All, shows you the data of all your products. New will show you the performance of products listed within last 30 days. Top Performing, details about products that are in the top 20% of product portfolio since last 30 days and have sold more than 10 units can be accessed using this filter. Slow Selling Products, it includes products in bottom 50% of your entire product portfolio that have been sold at least once. Non-selling products presents data of products that you have not sold in the last 30 days. Others include products that are neither top selling nor slow selling. In Sales Performance Table, you can also review particular products by filling in their SKU ID or product title in the search box. We at Flipkart try and help our sellers to pinpoint the problem areas so that they can devise a way to enhance the performance of their business. Earn More feature is yet another step in that direction. We hope that after watching this video, you will be able to benefit from insights it offers to improve your earnings. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel because there is a lot more for you in store.